Okay, the next feature of federalism, the court have the power to interpret the constitution and different tiers of the government. That means the court act as an umpire between the levels of government if arise any kind of conflict between the two levels of government. I am repeating, the court have the power to interpret the constitution and the level of government when they are exercising their power. That is, court act as an umpire. That means if there is any clash between or any conflict between the levels of government, that is central government and state government, when they are exercising their power. And the next feature of federalism are the sources of revenue for each level of government is specified into the constitution or specified to ensure their own financial autonomy. I am repeating, the sources of revenue for each level of government are clearly specified to ensure their financial autonomy. And the last key feature, the federal system has its own or dual form of objective, and the first objective or first aim to safeguard and promote the unity of the country, and the second dual objective, and the second one, the same time it accommodates regional diversity. These are the major features of federalism. I am repeating, first one, there is a two or more level of government in the form of federalism, and the second one, under federalism each level of government govern the same citizen, but each of them have its own power, of each of them have its own jurisdiction. And the next one, the level of or the power of the each level of government is constitutionally guaranteed, and the court act as an umpire between if any conflict arises between the central government and state government. And the next one, sources of revenue for each level of government is constitutionally ensured for its financial autonomy. And the last one, the federal form of government, it has two dual objective or two objective. First one, promote unity of the country, and the second one, at the same time they accommodate regional diversity.